Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the morning of June the 3rd, early in the morning, taking my morning walk. And it was kind of cool yesterday. I was with my friend and we were coming back from Buenos dias, amigo. Always saying good morning. Those were the cops, actually. So we were coming back from lunch and there were two helicopters, and my friend said, "Oh, that's the presidential helicopter." And obviously I had never seen it before. I wouldn't even know, a military helicopter from a presidential helicopter. But my friend said that that's somewhat, it's not a rare occurrence. In other words, Guatemala is not that large of a country, and specifically Guatemala City is not huge, so it's typical that you use helicopters. Well, not typical, for some people, helicopters to get from point A to point B. The point is, what's my point? I saw this little guy saw the presidential helicopter yesterday, and it was cool. And my friend didn't tell me till like 2 or 3 minutes later, but I saw him like looking up in the sky, and I don't know, I was too tired to ask him what he was looking at. And then later he told me, oh yeah, that was the president's helicopter. So kind of cool. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.